Withdrawing money from Threads to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and select it. Step 3. Link your bank account. In the settings menu, find a section for payment methods or bank account linking. Enter your bank account details as prompted, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 4. Initiate a withdrawal. Return to the main interface of the app and locate the option for withdrawals or cashing out. Select this option and choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and your linked bank account. Confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal process. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank statement to ensure the transaction has been processed successfully.